No, it's okay, don't worry, it's okay. This is me being awkward. Basically, my wife is sitting right behind the camera and she's doing her work, and I just told her to be very quiet, and I'm very self-conscious of myself recording these videos, but you know what, just whatever, man. Like, whatever happens, you know. Hey everybody, you know who it is, it's Unbox Everything, and today we will be unboxing a bunch of random stuff that we just got in the post. Things that we thought might help us with certain video editing or video production or photography based relations related. What am I talking about?
Okay, I'm gonna go over there.
It's fine. Hey everybody, you know who it is, it's Unbox Everything, and today we will be unboxing a bunch of random stuff. As you can see, all the boxes are next to me, and let's just jump right to it. Alright, so I think I'm just gonna grab any one of these things. Let's just start off with the small things maybe, because they're small and they're easy. So yeah, what are these? Basically, these are tiny arms. Let's just unbox first. So these are tiny arms, as you can see, unboxing experience. Essentially, it's like a clamp. It's like they're called magic arms. So basically, all it is something that you can attach certain things to. As you can see on the table already, where the little tripod is, the microphone is attached to it, but it's on this like really flimsy attachment that kind of wobbles around and moves around, and I kind of needed something a bit more solid, so hence why I got one of these little things. And now this is great because this is essentially like a small extension arm, and it has a lot of different types of adapters that you can just hook your device onto. I should be able to attach my microphone onto this, and then attach this thing onto any kind of basically tripod arm, anything I can cling myself onto. And in fact, I'll show you guys. This is the arm itself. It's pretty cool. It's essentially, it's like this. You release or you tighten essentially, which is pretty cool. And you can basically, the idea is that you can clamp this down to anything where it's kind of where you know it can clamp down to. Maybe getting rid of this tripod here and attaching my microphone, for example, on this side of the table here, using this contraption. And just to give you a better idea, I'm gonna put this up on the side. So I'm actually just gonna move the microphone and I'm gonna attach it to this little thing here. Or maybe not. So I think I need to unscrew one of these guys. Huh. Okay. I think I bought the wrong thing, guys, to be honest. I'm trying to figure this out, but I'm not really sure how I calculated this. Basically, I just want to attach this to the arm, to the end of the arm, like so. It seems that the adapters are not compatible with one another, which is a bit of a bummer, but that's okay. I think I could just buy another adapter for the adapter. So yeah, just a few more adapters and I think we'll get there. Yeah, not great, but you get the idea. You get the idea why I got this. It's just something where I can clamp, for example, my microphone to like this, like so. Essentially just kind of not need something like this, and also this like flimsy thing that's attached to it. Just something a bit more solid. And also with this arm, you can clamp it on anywhere basically. So it could be a table, it could be another tripod, it could be an overhead rig that I may or may not have, which I may or may not unbox now in this video. Okay, so moving on, let's just leave this stuff. My brain, my tiny brain can't comprehend what just happened, but that's okay. These things happen, it's okay. It's another one of those little clamp arms. So it's interesting that that they come in different companies. I mean, I don't know why you needed to know that, but there you go. And you just get the arm. And this one, all right. So this one is it's similar, but essentially this one comes with like this tiny arm attached to it. It has like this tiny little extender thing here. Essentially, it's a 1/4 inch thread. and you can tighten it, you can loosen it, and essentially, yeah, you can pretty much attach anything that has a 1/4 inch thread. No, what I meant to say is you can attach anything that has a 1/4 inch thread input. Let's move on to the next thing. Let's just unbox the smaller one. This isn't actually my purchase, but this is my wife's purchase. What is it? It's a LED light in the shape of a heart. Pretty much it. Let's unbox and let's take it out and let's test it out. So what do you get? The LED light, and you get batteries, and this is battery powered. Oh, it's USB powered as well. That's pretty cool. Let's untangle the cable and let's try this bad boy out. How do I look, guys? Demonstration over. You get the idea. LED light. Good stuff, good stuff. Finally, the big one. Now, you guys must be wondering what the hell this is. This is something quite random as well. Again, it's for the kind of video / photography setup. Definitely might help me with my unboxing videos, especially when I'm shooting from up to down, so top down. Let's just get right into it. All right, so what do we get in the box? You get 2 sandbags, although they are empty, so you can basically fill this with weights. You get ×4. These guys, these are like the things that, you know, you electrocute people with. I'm kidding. They're just clamps, essentially. So you can stick it onto the rig and you can clamp anything down to hang off of it. Down. I think this is one of the legs that you get. And yep, it is. So I am just gonna start to do this up. And then I'm gonna take out the other one and I'm gonna do the same. Put this off on the other side. And finally, so yeah, what is this? This is essentially a pole. That's it. And it's extendable by quite a fair amount, which is really cool. Oh, I'm gonna quickly set up and show you guys how this looks. As you guys can see, so, oh, you can't really see, it's really dark. But essentially, it's like a rig that goes overhead, over here, and then down again. And essentially, the idea is I was going to use those clamps to clamp my microphone down there, or up there rather, and then also you can attach any other devices that you wish, hence why I got one of those little arms, clamps. And I can do some top-down shots of the table now without any obstructions or anything like that. That's kind of the whole idea behind it. It's a bit fiddly to set up, but once you kind of set everything up, it's actually quite all right. As you can see, the room is a bit of a mess, but you know, that's fine. Well, you know, I mean, all this stuff is going to get cleared out of the way. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Apologies, it was a bit all over the place, you know, a bit of trial and error, but we finally got there in the end. I will leave some links down in the description below to where you can buy all of these things. If you guys enjoy this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. And yeah, not much else. So take care, guys. Hope you're well. Stay safe. Peace.